Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're doing something a little different today. This is gonna be a quick tip. I just came back from a session where I had to photograph a subject in front of a very wide background of the exterior of a performing arts center. And I thought to myself, I've got some nice behind the scenes video here of what it looked like, how it was lit, because when you're shooting a very wide angle, it's a little bit tricky. Where do you put the flash? In order to pull that off, you have to have the flash far enough away so it's not within that wide focal length. Normally, I would use this guy, a softbox, and this is great, except for the fact that it has to be a little bit closer to subject. What I did this time was I used this modifier. I'll have links in the comments to all of this. It's on my AD200 Pro. It focuses the flash a little bit more, throws it a little bit further, but still has a nice fall off, and it looks natural. You don't want it to look weird. You don't want it to look like there's a flashlight on your subject's face. Let's have a look at the behind the scenes and you'll see the setup, how it was done, a little bit of me working with Cam, the subject on location. Turn your face, yes, perfect. No, that's good. Where you were looking off? Yeah, good. Tilt the top of your head a little bit that way. Just like tilt the top. Yeah, just a little, there you go. Okay, eyes to me. Okay, as you can see, when the camera panned around the flash was up on a stand pointing at the subject almost next to the camera. It had enough throw to light the subject. Color balance is different for the background. Background's daylight. Flash is close to daylight, not quite. But all I had to do in post was adjust the background color balance to bring it a little bit closer, warm it up a little bit for the subject. Boom, we were good to go. You can have a look at a couple of images we shot right here. I'm very pleased with how they came out. I'm gonna have links in the comments to all of this gear that I'm talking about. Hey, as always, love to hear questions from you. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a quick tip. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.